Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheet tutorial how to convert Excel file. So if you want to convert the Excels or you can open the Excel files in Google Sheet, you can go to file menu, click import, and then you can click on upload button, click browse and open your Excel file. Okay, I will use this example file. Be waiting to upload and then you can click import data. So that you can see successful import, you can click open now. So it will be automatically open in your Google Sheet. Okay, that's it for a basic Google Sheet tutorial, how to convert Excel files. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.